So we start off today's video with another hair transformation. Now she's got some beautiful thick hair. And she cut the hair into a fresh mini bob hairstyle. Gorgeous. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some long to short transformations, as well as some short to short hairstyles as well. So if you are looking for a new hairstyle and you're in need of some major inspiration, be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit the like, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and hottest hair trends. Wow, look at this gorgeous volumized pixie. This is absolutely beautiful. She has so much thickness and fullness within this pixie haircut. Absolutely amazing. So then we have someone with long hair. The stylist chops the hair off. Beautiful bob hairstyle. I like the ombre color that is created by the grown out color she has. Wow, that was beautiful. And then it looks like we have another bob hairstyle for the next transformation. Oh, he's going shorter with more of like a pixie. Wow, absolutely gorgeous. I really like the chocolate color that she has as well. A lot of volume within that pixie, beautifully done. And then we have someone else in for a cut refresh on their pixie style. Very nice. I really like the back portion. Kind of looks like a baby mullet. very cute, very edgy. And it looks like we have yet another pixie for the next style. She's gonna get some color as well. Oh, beautiful bright blonde. This is gorgeous. Loving the cut and color combination. So then we have someone with their natural hair. The stylist cuts the hair down, adds in some color. Looks like she went with like a beige blonde. Oh, this is beautiful. Wow, absolutely gorgeous pixie makeover. So stunning. And then we see someone rocking out a shoulder length bob. And the stylist cuts the bob. I really like the color that this has. Her hair looks like it has so much body. Absolutely stunning. So then we have someone in for a color change. Ooh, another beautiful bright blonde pixie style. Very nice. Alright you guys, I hope you did enjoy checking out all these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.